Okay? Okay, so now let's have a spin test first of our Black Dran sword. Yeah. Wow. But the beat right here keeps playing, so it's very black, very nice. So let's have it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, woo. Woo. 2 extreme dash at simultaneous extreme dash. Not so stable, but yeah. Let's see if we will have a battle. Oh man, I will battle this one. The black, I know the paint will strip, but yeah, let's go. Let's have a battle. Let me check some. So I know it's a Dran sword. So yeah, let's battle with the real Dran sword. And the Dran sword, this is very, very strong, man. A very strong Dran sword right here. And yeah, I love